West room. Let's head on in. And as you can see, I guess 2 queen size beds right here. Look, you do have underneath storage if you need it, which is really kind of nice. We are on the 2nd floor. Ceiling fan up there. Got your nightstand here with the telephone, and they even give you a USB port right there, which is really nice. I think that's kind of cool. Nice little Disney art right there of the Mick. Or is that Minnie? I guess that's Minnie. I'm sorry, I take that back. Minnie looking fanciful. Here's Melissa. Say hi. Got a little dresser right there. Here's your TV. This is a lock off. So if you had somebody next to you and it was family, you could open that up and make it like one big place. Little area here for tables and chairs, which is really nice. Another really nice fine art right there. Oh, and this is pretty. Look, we have a little deck area, like a little balcony, which is kind of cool outside there. Just go out the door. And right through here with a little bit of light. See if I can find the light. There we go. Got like a little area here.
Kitchenette.
Kitchenette. With your refrigerator down there, so underneath area. You've got a microwave in here. And then here's the bathroom. Which again is really nice. So I can turn that off. Nice sink in here. Again, some storage space down here. There's your mirror. Little window. And that's your shower. They of course give you your soaps and all if you want it. Other than that, you got a little storage place over here, a little closet to put your stuff, and that is the room, guys. Old Key West Deluxe Studio room. Very nice. Have a good day.